Hi, so we are here at the paddock right now. So we just finished feeding out. So this is what happened when we do the feed out. So as much as possible we will scatter the bale. So we'll throw the bale slab by slab as we can to distribute in the paddock in the break, so that cows will eat the silage. Most of the cows will eat the silage as much as possible. So we are doing feed out because we don't have much grass at the moment. Like during autumn, the grass doesn't grow well. So like as of today, we are still on a 45-day round, and then maybe next week we'll go to 60-day round. So more silage. Okay, so this is their first break. So they nailed their first break. Maybe they just left 1850, and this is their next break, second break.